Ang ingay. Sino to si? Paras TV, shout out. They're cutting trees. Trimming trees. Good morning. They're trimming trees, guys. Ayan, ang ingay. They're cleaning the sewer. Naglinis pala sila sa sewer. Still have to continue. Baba ka lang ng bahay, sis. Ayan, babalikan ko kayo. Ayan. Ayan, nag-play ko. Salamat, guys. Ayun, I'll get back to you. So, ayan. Ayan, okay lang naman. Continuous lang kami dito. Mas mainit pa doon. Continue ang pagiging shady. Ayan. And the building is almost really done. Ayan, grabe ang bilis ng building. May para hindi maalikabok. Ayan, the building is almost done, guys. Ayan, here lang. Sisi, BG. Thank you, Sisi. Lovely Red and Linlin. Nining Joy, thank you. Canada, thank you. Aras TV, thank you. Salamat, guys, sa inyo dyan. Thank you for the thumbs up and thank you for the BG. Thank you for all the people in the background. Ayan, the building is almost done, guys. Look at this. We pass by. Para walang alikabok, habang nagdidig sila, may spray ng water. Ay, come on. Hey, come on, baby. Ayan, nagdidig sila ng lupa. Ayan. Itong mayroong taga-spray. Ayan.